Today I will introduce a new function. It's a remote control of our fast insertion machine. So there are operating systems. You have to log in the operating systems on your cell phone. So there are a counter. You need to register before, and after you have the account, so log in. You see. So next, enter this model, connect, confirm. Okay, so you will see the touch screen on your cell phone is same as the machine, so you can control the machine on the cell phone. Power on, stay here, then alarm. I press the down panel. So you see here, they do at the same time. Okay. You can set all the functions on the cell phone. It's very convenient for your engineer to do after sales service, and also you can do diagnostic for the machine. So you don't have to go to your customer's site to repair the machine. So you just need to do on the cell phone. It's very convenient. At the same time, save the labor cost for the after sales service. Okay.